welcome to Bribie Island Library and thank you for joining us for Baby Rhyme Time. My name is Jackie and today we're going to be singing some dinosaur themed rhymes. But first, let's do our acknowledgement of country. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on Gubby Gubby ground. Great job. Now we're going to do our hello song. Has everyone got their tickles ready? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Okay, the first rhyme we've got today is called I'm a Giant Dinosaur and it's sung to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. Here we go. I'm a giant dinosaur, big and tall. Here is my tail and here are my claws. When I get all hungry, then I roar. Look out, children, I want more. Great job, everyone. The next one we're going to do some counting. And we've got 5 enormous dinosaurs. Here we go. 5 enormous dinosaurs letting out a roar. One stomped away, then there were 4. Stomp, 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 roar. 4 enormous dinosaurs crashing down a tree. One stomped away, then there were 3. Stomp, 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 roar. 3 enormous dinosaurs eating tiger stew. One stomped away and then there were 2. Stomp, 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 roar. 2 enormous dinosaurs resting in the sun. One stomped away and then there was 1. Stomp, 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 roar. 1 enormous dinosaur left all alone. He stomped away, then there were none. Stomp, 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 roar. Great job, everyone. That saw some fantastic stomping. Okay, the next rhyme we've got is called Dinosaur, Dinosaur, and it is sung to the tune of Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. Here we go. Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, stomp the ground. Dinosaur, dinosaur, touch your snout. Dinosaur, dinosaur, roar and shout. Dinosaur, dinosaur, jump and fly. Dinosaur, dinosaur, wink one eye. Dinosaur, dinosaur, swish your tail. Dinosaur, dinosaur, scratch your scales. Dinosaur, dinosaur, reach up high. Dinosaur, dinosaur, roar goodbye. Bye. All right, that's the end of our dinosaur rhymes. So we're going to sing our goodbye song. Let's get our tickles ready again. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye. Thanks for joining us, everyone. See you next time. Bye.